is growing. We have more students than ever. I see so many beautiful faces. I see people who are eager to learn, and I see a promising future for you in the United States of America. Give yourselves a round of applause for coming to school every single day. And I'm just going to reiterate what you hear every day from Mr. Fleuristal, that attendance is important for your growth. Venez par chaque jour important si vous voulez grandir dans le pays. Come to school every day, okay? And you will see the difference. Now, without further ado, we are going to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Evening Principal, Mr. Fleuristal, and then we'll move on from there, okay? So, everyone face the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Dans nos rangs, point de traître du sol, soyons seuls maîtres, marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres, marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres.
Haïti, c'est festival, c'est ti sourit, c'est fête champette, c'est animation dans carnaval, c'est yon ti zilek pa jam fret. Haïti, son bon baiser, son domino, son bon 3-7, son réveillon, côté qui gen bouillon, c'est la gen ken betet. Haïti, c'est yon combi de paysan kap sek le la terre, c'est ti machan yo kap desen, pou yal goumen ak la vie chère.
Give a round of applause, please. That you want to pursue, most of them we have them here. So you are welcome to visit your counselors for your counselors to kind of guide you to where you want to go when you finish. If you're an ESOL or ABE, when you finish, so you know exactly what career technical program that you want to pursue. Very important. Now I'm finished with that. We're going to talk about today. Today's a Haitian Flag Day, Haitian celebration. If you don't know, if you're not aware, Haiti is the first black republic, free black republic in the entire world. That happened in 1804. Okay, and the flag was created in 1803. We celebrate that. We want to make sure that everybody understand the joy of this type of accomplishment. And I want to make sure that you guys feel part of this. It has nothing to do with your culture, your heritage, where you come from. We all celebrate together. Why? Because when you are at Lindsey, Hopkins Technical College, you are with family. Okay? Family, that's how we see it. I see every single one of you are mine. You are mine. Okay? So I'm here for you. We're all here for you. So we're gonna celebrate together. So Ms. Jasmine, what do we have?
We have a poem by Joyce and Peterson. Where's Joyce?
Where's Joyce and Peterson?
Let's go.
All right.
No, a reading. It's a reading about the flag.
Okay, come on.
A reading about the flag.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raymond Peterson.
I'm Joyce Cecilia.
I'm learning English level 5 in Lindsey College. I'm here to read the history about the country, about my country. We're gonna do it in English.
In Spanish.
To talk about the flag days, I must first of all give the meaning of flag. Secondly, a history, the flag of Haiti. Thirdly, why we must love the flag. The flag is a piece of cloth or similar material, typically obscure, attachable by a man each to a pole or ropes and used as the symbol or emblem of a country or institution or as a decoration during festivities. For example, the American flag is the symbol of liberty to which Americans receive the pledge or allegiance. It's also that the Haitian flag is a symbol of freedoms or liberty and union of blacks and mulattoes. Now I'm going to do a little history about the Haitian flag. The Haitian flag is bicolor featuring two horizontal bands colored blue and red. Emblem a white rectangular panel during the coat of arms of Haiti symbolizing independence. The motto is United makes strength, l'union fait la force. Ensemble, nous capables. Ensemble, nous forts. This one flag days we see today as a long history. Haiti is very first flag as independent nation. I said to be created by Revolutionary Jean-Jacques Dessalines. It said that he took a flag, tore out the white bit, and then sewed the red and blue together, make the first Haitian flag. This event is said to have taken place on May 18, 1803. They are now celebrate of Haitian flag days. The woman who was said to have swing the two pieces of the French flag together was Catherine Fon, celle qui a cousu notre drapeau. The first flag only stood on 2 years in 1805 after Dessalines decided to become the emperor of Haiti. He changed the black color for blue and red to black and white. Why we must love the flag? One reason for me, we must love our flag. When you see the bicolor, you see the liberty about the slavery. When you see the bicolor, you see our culture. When you see the bicolor, you see Compa, you see Nemo Jean-Baptiste, you see Tropicana, you see Septembre. When you see the bicolor, you see Rara dans les organes, you see Cha-Cha dans Port-de-Paix, you see Citadelle dans Ocap, you see Bassin Bleu dans Jacmel, you see tout bon Dieu dans Port-de-Paix.
only in Spanish for Spanish people. ¿Qué sucede el 18 de mayo de 1803? El 18 de mayo de 1803, Jean Dessalines rascó el blanco de la bandera francés para convertirla en la bandera haitiana. Catherine Flon cose los dos tonos resultantes, rojo y azul, para él. Este evento está ilustrado por la pintura de Marcel Montaigne. ¿Cuándo se creó la bandera de Haití? La bandera de Haití fue creado en 1803, fue adoptado en 1820 y formalizada en 1843. Esta bandera está inspirada en bandera tricolor del francés, adoptado por la Revolución Francesa, cuya parte blanca, considerada el símbolo de la raza blanca y no de la realeza, fue rasgado. ¿Por qué la bandera haitiana es rojo y azul? Rojo y azul son los colores de Esteloa, la fe de Jean Dessalines. Por tanto, habría jugado un papel importante en la creación de la bandera. Aunque también se acepta generalmente que el rojo simboliza a los mulatos y el azul a los negros. ¿Cuál es el significado de la celebración del Día de la Bandera? Esta fecha representa nuestra orgullosa identidad. Es también un momento de gran importancia en la historia universal de la libertad. No dejaremos de rendir homenaje a la valencia de nuestro antepasado. Se necesita una valencia extraordinaria para atreverse a aventurarse por un camino que nadie ha tenido la audacia de tomar. Hoy, aunque las cosas están mal en Haití, tenemos la experiencia de que cambie, porque somos un pueblo fuerte, orgulloso y resistente. Eso es lo que pasó en 1804, lo volvemos a hacer por nuestra libertad. Haïti pas péri, Haïti a tourné la perle des Antilles.
capable d'apprécier, pour me sentir vraiment tout ça où t'es pour moi. Haïti chérie, puis mon pays passé au non point. Faut que moi te quitte, pour moi te